At an event held at the Vanmati Auditorium, RSS Sarsangchalak Dr. Mohan Bhagwat ji released the English biography Moropant Pingle, the architect of Hindu resurgence, chronicling the life of one of RSS's most influential yet low-profile leaders. Recounting a moment from a national RSS meeting held in Vrindavan, Bhagwat ji recalled the day when Pingle ji had turned 75. H.V. Sheshadri ji draped a ceremonial shawl over Moropant ji to honor the milestone. When invited to speak, Moropant Pingle ji began with his signature wit. He said, "People start to laugh, even before I start to speak. I often feel that they don't take me seriously. Even when I say nothing funny, they laugh." The hall burst into laughter as Bhagwat ji recounted how Pingle ji had once remarked,
75 वर्ष त्यांची पूर्ण झाली. आम्ही सगळे वृंदावनला बैठकीत होतो. सगळे देशभरातले कार्यकर्ते होते. आणि शेवटच्या त्या समारोपाच्या अगोदरच्या सत्रात शेषाद्रीजींनी म्हटलं, आज अपने मोरोपंत जी के 75 वर्ष पूरे हुए, इसके लिए उनको शाल, तर शाल पांघरली. आणि मग म्हटलं थोडंसं बोला, तर ते म्हणे कशाला बोलायचं, नाही बोला, आग्रह झाला. ते उभे राहिले. उभे राहिल्यावर स्वाभाविक मोरोपंतांचं बोलणं जे कार्यकर्ते जरा हसऱ्या चेहऱ्याने पाहायचे. तर ते म्हणायचे की मेरी मुश्किल ये है कि मैं खड़ा होता तो लोग हंसने लगते, मैंने हंसने लायक कुछ बोला नहीं तो भी मेरे बोलने पर हंसते, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है लोग मुझे गंभीरता से नहीं ले रहे. मग पुढे ते असं म्हणाले, त्यांचे शब्द आहेत बरं, म्हणून उच्चारतो मी.
"When I die, people will probably throw a stone first to check if I'm really dead. I know what the 75-year shawl symbolizes. It's often a polite way of telling someone that their time is up and they should now step aside."
मग पुढे ते असं म्हणाले, त्यांचे शब्द आहेत बरं, म्हणून उच्चारतो मी. मैं जब मर जाऊंगा तब भी पहले लोग पत्थर मार के देखेंगे कि सचमुच मर गया. मग ते असं म्हणाले, 75 वर्ष का आपने किया, लेकिन मैं इसका अर्थ जानता हूं. 75 वर्ष की शाल जब उड़ी जाती है तब उसका अर्थ यह होता है कि अब आपकी आयु हो गई, अब जरा बाजू हटो, हमको करने दो.
Beneath the humor, however, was a deeper message about humility and detachment. Yet, even when honored, Pingle ji remained cautious not to get emotionally attached to such gestures.
त्यांच्या गौरवाकरता गौरवाचा भाव मनात घेऊन हे सगळं होतं, त्याच्यात तो गौरव आपल्याला चिकटू नये ह्याची ते स्वतःच काळजी घ्यायचे.
The book, authored by a team of historians and RSS scholars, explores how Pingle ji played a pivotal role in the post-independence resurgence of Hindu cultural thought. Known as a master strategist, Pingle ji was instrumental in shaping the organization's long-term vision and outreach, though he remained largely behind the scenes. Dr. Bhagwat's reminiscences offered rare glimpses into the personal philosophy of a man who mentored generations of RSS workers but preferred anonymity over accolades. His life is a lesson in silent leadership, Bhagwat ji concluded. He never sought the spotlight, and yet, his influence still shapes the direction of the Sangh. The event also witnessed discussions on the enduring relevance of Pingle ji's organizational vision and his role in uniting ideological and grassroots efforts in post-colonial India. The biography is now available in English and is expected to be translated into multiple Indian languages in the coming months. However, RSS has noted that some media outlets are misrepresenting Bhagwat ji's anecdote as a comment on the age of current politicians. The remark was clearly and specifically about Moropant Pingle ji. The comment should not be interpreted or targeted towards those currently in politics.